In this video, I'll show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy smartphone touch screen not working after the update. So here's the real guide on how you can actually fix this problem. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so this problem is commonly happens for the software glitch. Now to fix this, you just need to force restart your Samsung phone. So now to do that, you'll get to see you just need to locate your volume down and the power button together. So you just need to press both buttons together. So I'm going to keep pressing the volume down and the power button together. You just need to keep pressing it until you see the Samsung logo. So I'm going to keep pressing it until I see the Samsung logo here. So once you get the Samsung logo, release the button and he'll get to see it will take a little time. And once you're done with the process, and he'll get to see the touch screen is not now working properly. And this is how we can actually fix the problem. I hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.